Assalamu alaikum, good morning friends. As I said in my last video that I will post on 17th of October 2019 one video. In that video I will show you how you get free entry into fun park Phantasialand in Germany. The city name is Brühl, and be with me and I will show you the Hello everyone, it's me Hasnana again, and we are now here in Phantasialand Fun Park in Germany. The city name is Brühl, and today is my birthday. It's on 17th of October, and that's why I'm here. And that in last video I said I get free entry here because of my birthday, and you have to show your ID card and you will get a free entry into Phantasialand. As you can see, I got this free ticket, and I show my ID card and I got this free ticket. It's €0, and I got this badge. Happy birthday, Geburtstag. And now I am in Phantasialand. Beautiful China Bazaar. Du musst Füße bewegen, damit hochgeht.
सुना नहीं हो सकती थी, सबको पता था ये रेट पसीने और एक उसमें लंबा एक हमने क्लासेस देखा जिसके बाद मैं नवाज शरीफ साहब वापस आए, वो मिलिट्री क्या चली गई, उसके बाद